Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I'm going to do a real quick review of the site that I have been using and loving called Cash for Surveys, and this has been helping me make some quick money, some easy money, which everyone needs a little extra cash. And I'm in college, so I'm on that Roman diet, and yeah, so this has been a lifesaver. I get to go out, I get to have fun, I get to go shopping, and not have to really worry about where my money's coming in and how's it coming in. Basically the site works this way: you sign up and you get to take surveys and they pay you for them. These surveys come straight to your email, so you don't have to worry about anything like going in and checking in on the website or anything like that. You go in to your email, you'll have a list of like surveys that you can check out, and you click on them, you take the surveys, and you get paid. That's basically it. And it's super awesome to be able to go to work in your pajamas,